Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ashwagandha juice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need ashwagandha, either as a fresh root or a high-quality powder, along with water. For flavor, consider natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and perhaps a squeeze of lemon or a small piece of ginger. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, prepare your ashwagandha. If using fresh root, wash it thoroughly and chop it into small, manageable pieces. Combine the prepared ashwagandha with about 1 cup of water in a blender. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. This ensures you extract all the beneficial compounds effectively. After blending, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any pulp, leaving you with a smooth juice. Now is the time to add your preferred sweetener, like a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup and any other flavor enhancers. Stir well, then serve your ashwagandha juice chilled for a refreshing and beneficial drink. Ashwagandha juice offers several benefits, including supporting stress reduction and promoting overall well-being. For optimal results, a typical daily intake is 1 to 2 ounces of the juice. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.